Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about the applications that can be used on the Omicro blockchain. So we'll be talking about a few use cases that we feel like is very significant in today's market and can thoroughly benefit from being on the Omicro blockchain. So one specific use case of the Omicro blockchain is a time bank. So there are currently around 980 million volunteers worldwide, and there's no real way of keeping track of all the volunteers and the number of hours they put in. The Omicro blockchain can solve this issue as we offer secure contracts. This is one of our significant technologies that kind of offset us from other blockchains. Um, you know, in the other videos, we went over secure contracts a few times, but to recap, it's pretty much just a pre-tested, pre-written form, tested by the community, and these forms you just gotta fill out certain parameters and submit it to the micro consensus protocol to be verified, and it'll be stored on the blockchain. So it's pretty simple. Any regular user can use it. Um, so since there's so many volunteers in the world, each volunteer can fill an identical contract form, as the volunteer forms generally contain the same information, such as like first name, last name, other credentials, maybe like date of birth or something, and more specifically, like more importantly, the number of hours they put in. Just all this simple information that every volunteer needs. And these forms can then be stored on the Omicro blockchain, and the volunteers can earn Omicro tokens, which can be equivalent to like 1 hour of volunteering time credit per token. So I guess more general cases we could talk about is DeFi. So um yeah, so decentralized finance can be implemented on the blockchain, on our blockchain. Um, so like what decentralized finance is, it basically takes key elements of work done by banks, exchanges, and insurers and puts it in the hands of regular people. So just think of it about like traditional finance but decentralized. So the total value locked in all of DeFi protocols back in 2020 was $78 billion. That's quite a lot, and this number is trending upwards. And people are like constantly trying to build protocols such as DEXs, which is a decentralized exchange, and like borrowing protocols, lending protocols, and insurance protocols on newer blockchains with improved incentives and like low gas costs and tokens, which is what Omicro offers. So we offer for now a 100 billion token total supply with a 7% inflation rate. So this could be very beneficial to um, like newer protocols or people who just want to migrate protocols. Of course, the micro blockchain would support standard NFTs or any protocol with NFTs that can branch out to like music or real world assets. Um, on top of that, that kind of relates to gaming. Um, Also, the on top, like aside from DeFi, the gaming industry or crypto gaming industry has also grown tremendously. So gamers can also have a part in the micro blockchain, as crypto gaming has been expanding over the past few years. Gambling protocols can be incorporated, um, uh, and we could support casino games with like the betting of cryptocurrencies. Since we're very safe and secure blockchain with our technologies, like including secure contracts, a 2000 byte post quantum public proof, a quantum public, a quantum proof public key, and a voting based consensus, gamers don't really have to worry about their games or assets being hacked. And the earnings they have are instant transactions that would like originally be there with like with a standard centralized system. People can also pay people can also play games where um anywhere without random confirmations. Like you say you have to put in like your email, like your credit card, I don't know, all these random confirmations of information that like hackers can abuse. So gamers can just, pay and withdraw funds faster from anywhere in the world without any restrictions, which is the benefit of our blockchain. So there are like unlimited more applications that can be used on the micro blockchain, including like IoT, um, like money if we have a stable coin, like as I say, DeFi, gaming, NFTs. It's quite limitless. So um, DeFi and crypto gaming are just some of the markets that are growing rapidly right now that can especially use the safe and secure a micro blockchain.